Come see how we do a custom t-shirt order part 1. Our customer's baby is turning 1 and they're celebrating with a happy camper themed party and personalized shirts for the whole family. We help bring our customers' vision to life based on their feedback and ensure they were happy with the final version of the custom designs. After making sure we had all of the correct sizes counted, we load the designs into our vinyl cutter and weed everything out to get it ready for the shirts. We made different designs for the parents, and even the grandparents each wanted their own version in Spanish and English. The cousins, and finally the aunties who wanted their personalized name on their t-shirt. Finally, we heat pressed all of the shirts, making sure they're centered correctly and we have a clean transfer. Of course, we can't forget about the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Mateo. If you have a party or event coming up and you're considering a keepsake gift for your loved ones and guests, please keep us in mind and make sure to follow us for part 2 on how we did the shirts for the uncles.